Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are right in the middle of the launch of the Cash App project. Okay, guys, we're right in the middle of the launch of my Cash App project. I want to thank you guys if you're finding me on YouTube. For you guys who are on my list, let's talk a little bit more about what just happened and how you guys can actually start cashing in with Cash App. Okay, so first of all, if you're a person on YouTube, you've probably been all over YouTube looking for how to make money with Cash App or free Cash App apps or getting paid Cash App. That's all fine and good, guys. And what I want you guys to understand is that Cash App has grown, and what's happening with Cash App, that app is phenomenal, guys. And so today, what I want to talk to you about is why you guys should be excited. Number one, you opted into one of my opt-in pages, obviously, or you could have possibly found me on YouTube and or Facebook. And so sharing this incredible opportunity with other people, those are just some of the different ways you're going to be able to actually share the actual opportunity. So what I've taken the liberty of doing, guys, and what you guys will be able to find on my website, because one of the things I'm going to be giving you guys are all kinds of images that you could actually use on Facebook. Okay, because Facebook doesn't like links, right? So when we're talking about cashing in with Cash App, if you're going to run an opportunity and you're going to go into your Facebook groups or your Facebook fan page or your timeline, then you want to be able to have images like the one you're looking at right now, which is just a simple thumbnail that I created with my thumbnail creator. And so I'm able to create these kind of images all the time. The point is you can do this yourself. You can actually have it outsourced on places like Fiverr. But the point is you can create a simple image like this and you can share it on your Facebook page, your fan page, or you can actually share it on your Facebook timeline. Or you might even want to do YouTube videos and you can use this as a thumbnail. But the point is you can actually create these simple images really, really simple and easy. And so in essence, guys, if you can share this message, one like this on your page or on your timeline, you can cash in with Cash App. And this is just one of the strategies that we're actually really diving right into in real time because momentum loves speed, okay? So now, guys, if you actually picked up this first leg of cashing in with Cash App, then you've already seen it. Hopefully you already excited about it. If you picked it up, you already know that you already have 101 ways you can start sharing this incredible opportunity with other people right inside your members area. But you know me, I wanted to go a step further, guys, so I actually built out a complete website with some additional techniques, tactics, strategies, tools, and resources that you guys can actually use to hit the ground running as we move into the Cash App project, right? So what I've done, guys, and just give you an example of what you can do when you can start creating these kind of images is you can jump over to your Facebook group or your Facebook page. I'm actually on my Facebook page. I'm not a big Facebook person. You guys know that. But this is fun. It's simple and it's easy. So when you're creating these images, right, what you want to do is create an image like this. And rather than actually putting a link in your YouTube post, create a simple image like this. And now, you guys who've come into this first leg of cashing in with Cash App, guys, let me know. Hit me up. I'll create an image for you just like that. Now, on this website, right, you will find some generic images that you can actually just start using. And when you use this type of marketing messaging, when you're doing this, make sure that you simply redirect people to yourself. As you can see here, I'm telling people to get more information. They can actually visit cash with cashapp.com, right? And or they can email me at itsmarlonbennett@gmail.com with question in the subject line. This way, you don't have to worry about getting in Facebook jail and all those crazy things that they talk about. But make sure you're sharing your message with your friends on Facebook, right? And then, guys, as we move further, we're going to start talking about how to take the same message that you're sharing on your Facebook timeline, the same message that you're sharing on your Facebook fan page or your Facebook page, and we're going to show you how to start using banner ads and things like that, guys. And I'm going to show you guys how to use your Facebook page ad. That's what this really is. And write up something, provide some informational value to people, right? And so what I simply did, guys, is I went over here and we talked a little bit about Cash App, right? And how many users, guys? A lot of users. 36 million active users, right? And for my social media people, you're already on Facebook all day, every day anyway. So why not make it worth your while, guys? Okay. Now, on this Facebook post, you guys are welcome to jump over here and look at it and read through the whole thing. For you guys who are on Facebook, you're coming over to YouTube, I'll put the same information in the YouTube video. If you guys just pause the video and just read it. But when you're doing these type of posts, right? Go out, guys, and share a message like this on your page, right? Share it on your page. And then, guys, if you want to, if you're familiar with Facebook groups, and we're going to be covering all those cool things. We'll cover all those techniques and how you can get into these Facebook groups. And then you can simply come down, right, to your actual post. And then you can actually go to share your post, right? You can share this post inside of Facebook groups, if that makes sense, right? I mean, it's on my page, but if I wanted to actually share it, I could come right down here to share, right? I want to share this message in Facebook groups where people most likely are to be looking for ways to make money working from home, online, right? Well, there are all types of Facebook groups, and you can actually search for them right on your Facebook page. Just put affiliate marketing, how to make money working from home, how to make money as an affiliate marketer, how to make money working from home with Cash App, whatever. And when you do that, a bunch of groups will populate. And you can join those groups. And once you join those groups, guys, you can simply come here and share your particular post, like I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm going to go to share. And you can see I can go to a group. I'm already a part of certain groups, guys. And when you actually click that, you can actually type in something like, oh, work from home moms, okay? So, did I do that right? Work from home moms. Let's go back in. Let's make sure we get this right. All groups. So, okay, I'm just going to use one of these. Let's see. Best easy work group. No, network marketing is best. Some of these groups are going to be private, guys, but some of them are going to be public, like make money working from home, right? Affiliate marketing posts, free advertising for free traffic. So you can choose these groups. You can join these groups, and when you do, we're just going to go to make money working from home. I'm going to click it. And at that point, you'll be able to actually add a blurb, right, to the actual post itself. And so what I've been doing with this particular post is I've actually been saying to people, create your own economy. You know what I'm saying? Because you can create your own economy when you know how to do this type of thing. And it's not very hard to do, right? So I got, well, let's change that. Let's change that to a C. And now we're going to say create your own economy. You could, put some little art in there if you want to, whatever. But, keep it simple. And then simply post to that particular group. And so you can do this all day and night, guys. If you want to, you can read the actual, what you just shared in the group. I'm going to view that actual post. We're going to jump over there to the group. And you should see my post, guys. And I just shared this in a group, right? And I don't know how many people are in this group, right? But you can see the actual image and the post is now inside of the group. I think I'm inside. I got the screen a little larger than I want it to be. But anyway, so the post is there, right? And so there's I don't know what's going on. I can't see. Oh, it's pending. So once it's been approved by the affiliate manager, right, or the admin of this actual group, it'll get actually approved, and this actually be an ad that I actually ran and I placed in Facebook group. Now, so again, for you guys who have joined, check out that download, guys. Check out the actual PDF that you actually got, because inside of that PDF are all kinds of ways you can actually start getting traffic right to your Cash App system. I mean, like really fast. And then right below this video, of course, I'm going to have all kinds of other resources for you guys. I'm going to have all other some of my favorite traffic sources in terms of solo ads. We're going to be talking about how to start actually building a list, and then actually, building a list and having people come through. In fact, some of you guys came through one of my capture pages, and this is how you got there. But either way, guys, Cash App wide open, guys. Lots of people using it to transact. It's a great way to create a decent little side hustle. It's a great way to actually make some really decent money, guys. Again, if you can share a simple message just like this on your page or your timeline or your fan page, or you can go to YouTube and shoot a video, then all you want to do, guys, if you see something, say something. Just start sharing this Cash App system with anybody you know, with everybody you know that you think might be more interested in actually making money with Cash App. It's a cool little system. It's inside of our Cash In project. And if you guys are on inside of my Cash In project, you know that there are any number of systems, training, and resources and tools that you can actually use, and there are different price points that you can actually get in on. So that's something to really, really be super excited about, guys, because now you can take back control of what it is you want to do. You can do exactly what it is you want to do. And I'm super excited for all my social media people because you guys simply share this kind of message. And if you came in and you're actually one of the people that actually got your system already, hit me up. I'll create an actual I'll create a thumbnail, an image like this for you, which will actually, when you start posting in those Facebook groups, this will all be for you, your email address, and this will be you. And if you want to get a domain name, by the way, guys, we're going to talk about that. I talked about that on all my videos, or a lot of my videos on all my channels, but we're going to talk about that domain name and why you want one, okay? Because you don't want this to be really, really long, and you want it to be a domain name, and you can get them super cheap over at places like GoDaddy and Namecheap. Just pick one up, and then you can forward it to the actual site, right? So then when people are coming to your Facebook fan page or your Facebook page or your timeline, and they see that you're forwarding to a domain name, then they'll just go to that actual site, guys, and then they'll be everything that they need is right there. And the other strategy is to actually have people email you or call you or text you, right? Whatever you want to say, right? Just get creative, and tell them to always put a question for you in the subject line so you will know where that message is coming from and what it's about or whatever you want to say. And again, guys, you can simply send that particular prospect, that person, that friend, an actual invitation to join us inside of the Cash App project. Okay, so that's all it is for this video, guys. Remember, if you're on this site, there are going to be all types of other techniques, tools, strategies, and resources that you can actually use to start growing your actual side hustle, okay? Because that's really what it is in a nutshell, right? It's not rocket science, okay? So for you guys who are finding me on YouTube and you want to know more about what I'm doing with the Cash App project, guys, go ahead over to cashwithcashapp.com, okay? And you guys will have all the information you need to make an informed decision in terms of whether this is something that you want to do, something that you want to use to start speaking your own success into existence. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Miles to go before I sleep. I appreciate you guys being on the video so very, very much. Make sure you read up on all the information on Cash App, guys. It's growing. It's exploding. And why not cash in with it? And if you're on social media, guys, hey, if you see something, say something. Anyway, that's my time. Thanks so much for being on the video, guys. As always, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet direct mail marketing lifestyle with no limits. Keep rocking. I'll see you guys on the next video.